Good morning, this is Parrish with Ocala Car Audio. If you, like many people, have one of the new 2018 Ram 3500s without a factory backup camera, we're here to help you. This client came to us with this uConnect 3.0 5-inch screen with no camera options. We explained we can install 2 or more cameras for them. So what we did, we started with the third brake light camera, where the factory brake light would normally be. And if you see, it has the camera built right into it, so it gives it a clean factory appearance. And then, when installed, it looks like nothing else out there. So if this works for you, this will give you a great view of your cargo or your gooseneck. As you can see here, when the truck came to us, it had no bed on it, was getting ready for a flatbed. We also installed the forced rear view, where you can watch what's going on your cargo area while you're driving forward if you'd like to at any time. This is the way it looked when the new bed was installed. And as you can see, the headache rack was made perfect to allow you to view your gooseneck while you're backing up and attaching to it. We also installed this second backup camera into the factory license plate holder location. As you can see, it installs right behind the factory license plate location. So this allows you to see exactly what you're backing up to. I'd like to invite you to stop by Ocala Car Audio today to see what we can do for you.